how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Vida Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education. And today we are going to learn one of our grammar topic, that is homophones, homonyms and homographs. Like, today you are going to learn only homophones, but let me explain the difference between all these three. That is, what is homophones, what is homonyms and what are the homographs. Okay? So, these all things are nothing but they are just the confusing similar kind of words. What? They are just confusing similar words. By hearing this thing, તમને આ સાંભળીને you will be confused કે આ બધી શું હવે નવો ગ્રામરનો ટોપિક આવ્યો, homophones, homonyms, homograph, આ બધું તમને એક જેવું જ લાગતું હશે, but they are confusing. મેં કીધું confusing similar words, એક જેવા confusing words કે જે તમને confuse કરી દે. But you don't need to worry. At the end of this session you will be cleared with all these three things and you can easily say that yes, I have learned all this topic very well and that too easily. Okay? So these are nothing but they are just confusing similar words. Sometimes the spelling is the same, sometimes it is different, sometimes pronunciation is the same, sometimes it is different, right? Meaning differs, meaning is also different. So all these possibilities are there, but what in homophones, what is the possibility? In homograph, what is the possibility? That we are going to understand over here. Okay? So let me give you one example. I am writing two words over here, C-O-A-L and C-O-L-E. The pronunciation of these two words are the same. The pronunciation is same. Pronunciation is same, right? Then meaning is different and the spelling is also different. See over here, coal, coal. So pronunciation is same, but the spelling you can see over here C-O-A-L and over here C-O-L-E. So spelling is different and meaning પણ different થાય છે. આ coal એટલે કે it is a mineral, the coal. જે તમે engines માં જે black color ના coal હોય, right? It is coal. અને this coal means cauliflower, gobi. It's a vegetable, cauliflower, cabbage. So this coal, our coal એટલે cauliflower, but this coal means it is a koila, right? So over here you can see that both the meanings are different, but when you pronounce it, the pronunciation is same, but the meaning and the spellings are different. So such kind of words are known as, they are known as homophones. Homophones એટલે કે જેમાં pronunciation same હોય. Homophones means similar sounding words કે જેનો sound, when you listen to that word તો એ તમને sound same લાગે. Similar sounding words. Homophones are nothing but they are just similar sounding words. Homophones are similar sounding words. એટલે કે એનો જે sound છે, pronunciation, that is same, but the meaning and the spellings are different. Okay? Let's look at some other examples so that you can understand it very better. Okay. Now if I am saying pray, This prey means शिकार करना. When you go in a forest, the hunter used to do that, right? That is prey. That is P-R-E-Y, એટલે કે શિકાર કરવો, શિકાર કરना. But P-R-A-Y pray means in the morning you pray, right? You pray for the God. તમે God ને pray કરો છો. So that is prarthana, you are doing that. So P-R-A-Y pray means worship, prayer करे. And then P-R-E-Y means शिकार करना. So you can see over here the sound is the same, pray, but the meaning and the spelling is different, right? So that is homophone. Now let's see another one. That is there, and okay, there and there. These two words are there, right? But when you listen to these words, you will feel the sound is same, but over here the meaning and the spelling differs, right? Means over here T-H-E-R-E, there means वहाँ पे, over there means it shows some direction, so that is T-H-E-R-E. And T-H-E-I-R means it is a possessive pronoun. It shows some possession. T-H-E-I-R, there it shows possession and it shows direction or place. I went over there. कि हूँ ए जगह गई थी. I went over there. So I am saying some location. But T-H-E-I-R means it shows some possession. No, this book is mine. This book is theirs. आज ते लोगों की book है, ये उनका है. So it shows possession over here. So you can see the pronunciation, the sounds of these words are same, but the meaning and the spelling is different. Right? Now let's see some other examples. Sail and sail. So again we have a different meaning, spellings also different, but the pronunciation is same. Sail means it is used when for the boats, right? કે જે boat ચાલે છે, that means the boat is sailing. So that is S-A-I-L, sail. But S-A-L-E, sail means that is discount. Okay, when you go for the shopping, right, there are some discounts over there and that is written over there. If there is a discount, अगर जो discount हो रहा है, like sale, up to 40%, 50%, everything. So S-A-L-E, sale means discount, but S-A-I-L means it is used for the boats. When the boat goes, that means the boat is sailing. Then 8, E-I-G-H-T and A-T-E. E, the pronunciation, the sound is same, 8. Over here E-I-G-H-T, 8 means it is a number, and A-T-E, 8 means eating. It is the past form of eat. That is 8. Now the next is sun. S-U-N and S-O-N. S-U-N, sun. That you all know about that. S-U-N, sun means what? Hot ball of fire that you can see, right? But and S-O-N, sun means kid. So again the spellings and meanings are different, but the pronunciation, the sound is same. So similar sounding words which sound same, when you listen to those words you feel that the sound is same, pronunciation is same, but the meaning and the spellings are different. such kind of words are known as homophones. Right? Such kind of words are known as homophones. Now, the next thing which we are going to see, that is homograph. Now, what is homograph? In homograph, spelling is same, but the pronunciation and meaning is different. In homographs, the spelling is same. Homograph માં spelling same હોય, but the pronunciation and meaning different હોય. Whereas in homophones, the pronunciation is same and the meaning and the spellings are different. Homophones means similar sounding words, and homograph spelling same, and other two things are different. Let's look at the example so that you can easily understand that. So I am writing over here close. Right? Close I have written. So the pronunciation of close is different, but the spelling is same, and according to the pronunciation the meaning also changes. Now look over here, close. 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 Right? This close means z. Over here it is z. Close. Closer. Z when you pronounce, so that means to close that thing. Band karna. Band karo. So that means close. Now if you speak close, if you speak so, close, that means somebody is very important to you. Means कोई खास person, कोई आपका करीब हो, someone is very important to you, that means close. He is my close friend. At that time you will not speak close friend. The pronunciation will change. You will have to speak close. He is my close friend. And when you say that please close the door, means ये दरवाजा बंद करो, यानी कि close. The pronunciation will be z. But when you say that someone or something is very important to you, then this close. Okay? So over here you can see the spelling is same, but the pronunciation and the meaning of both is totally different. Let's look at another example. Address. Right? Now again, address is having two different kinds of pronunciation. One is address, right? And the another pronunciation is address. One is address and another one is address. So this address means it acts as a noun. It acts as a noun and it shows the location. Means where you are staying, what is your address? कि तुम कहाँ रहते हो, तुम्हारा पता क्या है? It shows that where you are staying, address, कि तुम्हारा जो address होए. But when you say address, it is as a part of verb. Means किसी को संबोधित करना, you are addressing that person. कोई person ने indicate કરીને તમે ક્યારે કંઈ કહો છો, that is address. And તમે જ્યારે તમારું address તમે ક્યાં રહ્યો છો ઈ તમે કહો છો, that is address. And this is address. A and A, two different pronunciation of this. That means here the spelling is same. Spelling same રહે, but the pronunciation is different and the meaning is also different. So such kind of words are known as homograph. Okay? So let me clear you again the concept of homophones and homograph again. Homophones and homograph. Right? So homophones, pronunciation is same. Over here pronunciation is different. Spelling in homophones, spelling is different, and over here spelling is same. Then meaning is different, and in homographs also meaning is different. Okay, so homophones means the pronunciation same, means similar sounding words કે જેનો સાઉન્ડ સિમિલર આવતો હોય એક જેવો આવતો હોય they are known as homophones, અને જેમાં સ્પેલિંગ સેમ હોય બટ એનું pronunciation અલગ થતું હોય તો એવા વર્ડ્સ ને તમે homograph કહેશો. Okay, so this was all about homophones and homograph. Now let's see another topic, or let me give you some more example of this. Let me give you some more example. We have already seen many examples of homophones. Okay, now let me give you the example of homograph. What is homograph? That you have already learned that, but for more example and for more better learning, let me give you another one. Rose. Rose yani ki over here we speak rose only, z, right? We are not speaking rose and rose. Now we are going to understand something different. So rose, over here see, one is a flower. Rose, the meaning over here, one it is flower, and the second form over here it is the second form of rise. Like we have verb 1, verb 2, v1, v2, v3 form. So this is the second form. First is rise, second is rose, and the third is rising. Right? So this is the second form of rise. Over here the pronunciation is also same, spelling is also same. જે એવા વર્ડ્સ હોય કે જેમાં pronunciation and spelling બંને same હોય but the meaning changes, such kind of words are known as homonyms. That means pronunciation same, spelling is also same, but the meaning is different. Such kind of words are known as homonyms. Homophones માં similar sounding words એટલે કે pronunciation જ same હોય, પછી homograph માં spelling same થતો હતો, but હવે homonyms માં pronunciation અને spelling બંને same હોય છે. એવા words ને જેમાં pronunciation અને spelling બંને same થાય, such kind of words are known as homonyms. Right? So I hope that you have understood the concept of all these three: homophones, homograph and homonyms. So let me clear you something else, that heart and hurt. Right? Let me give you some examples of that. if I say heart and I'm writing heart, so over here you can see that this is heart. Spelling is different, pronunciation is also different, everything is different. Heart. So this is not a homonym, nor it is homophone, because pronunciation is also different. Heart, heart, a and a sound is coming, so it is nothing. Okay, so such kind of words is not anything. It is not a homophone, it is not homograph or homonyms. Now if I say that another word, cast. Cast and cast. Here the pronunciation is same. It is similar sounding word. Pronunciation same. So it is a, yes, it is homophone. કે જ્યાં pronunciation same હોય એવા words ને homophones કહેવાય. આ caste એટલે કે તમે કેવા છો? Brahmin, Patel, from which caste you belong? That is this. And CAST caste means that is a list of characters. કે તમે કોઈ બી મૂવીમાં જે characters નું list હોય, so that is this caste. Now, so you can see the spelling is also same, is different, but the pronunciation is same. So such words are known as homophones. Now, the next is story. And STORY, story. Here you can see that it is just a minor difference of spelling. STORY and STOREY. So pronunciation is same, story, but STORY means kahani, story somebody, kahani, and STOREY means it is a building. The buildings mota mota hoy, that is known as STORY, story. Right? So such kind of words are known as homophones. Here basically you have the concept of homophones only, but in future you don't get confused between homonyms and homographs. That's why I've explained you the concept of that. So homophones means similar sounding words, but the meanings and the spellings are different. In homographs, spelling is the same, but the pronunciation and meaning is different. And homonyms, pronunciation and spelling both same, pronunciation and spelling બંને same હોય છે, but the meaning is different. જેમાં બે વસ્તુ same આવે છે, such kind of words are known as homonyms. Similar sounding words, homophones, and the same spelling, that is homograph. So I hope that you are cleared with the concept of homophones, homonyms and homographs. Okay students, and still if you have any doubt, then you are supposed to see the video again. કે તમારે video ને પાછો જોવાનો છે, and you will be cleared with your doubts. And I will also send you the worksheet based on this video, which you are supposed to solve in your book. And still if you have any doubt, then please see the video. Okay, so till then, bye bye, thank you, take good care of yourself.